Hey guys, what's up? This is War Master 2 right now. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's this beeping sound. I just came over here to play basketball, and I started hearing this beeping sound. And I don't know what it is. Okay, so let's go check it out. Oh, yeah. Never mind, I know what it is. I don't know if you guys saw it. This guy had his door open. His car door open. I think he saw me, I'm not too sure.